Fields, Jalen Seco, Terrence Speed. Today's basketball game is at Chester at 4:30 p.m.
Today's lunch will be cheesy chicken, brown rice, seasoned broccoli, ranch potatoes, wild green salad, cucumber coins, assorted fresh fruit, assorted chill fruit, and fruit juice.
If you want to boost your fitness level, join the Carver Middle School Running Club. The club will meet every Monday from 3:30 through 4:30 p.m. unless it is raining or extremely cold. All 6th through 8th graders are welcome to run with us. If you are interested, please see Miss Corey or Miss Nesbitt, for more information and a permission slip. Fellowship of Christian Athletes. Carver Middle School will begin a Fellowship of Christian Athletes starting on January 15, 2015. The meetings will be every Thursday morning from 7:20 through 7:50 for 30 minutes only. Breakfast, snacks will be served sometimes, and speakers from around Spartanburg will be present. This will not just be for athletes, but for anyone that is interested in joining in. Please see Mr. Rice for further information. Have a nice Wildcat Day.
We had 2 birthdays today. Happy birthday to these Wildcats. Johnny Morgan and Xavier Lewis. Happy birthday. We're so glad you're here. Happy birthday. Here's the Wildcats here. We're so excited. We hope you are too. Happy birthday from the broadcast crew.